Hi, I'm Keith Morrill, President and founder of the AquaRev Water device. If you've ever wondered how hydrodynamic cavitation actually improves pool water purity, here's the simplified breakdown. AquaRev Water technology easily installs inline with any water treatment system and is the last treatment stage on the existing return line. Inside our patented device, controlled microbubbles are created in the water, utilizing existing water pressure. When those bubbles collapse, they release localized energy that helps break down the organic contaminants that fuel the problems engineers fight every week: water clarity, or turbidity, harsh chlorine odors, and unstable water chemistry. So, instead of constantly chasing water quality with heavier dosing and reactive fixes, hydrodynamic cavitation naturally supports a more stable system. Clearer water, less chemical volatility, fewer shock treatment events, and a pool that stays guest-ready. AquaRev Water doesn't replace code-required sanitizers. Think of it as making your entire treatment program easier to run. If you're a commercial pool operator or facility engineer, and you're dealing with recurring cloudiness, turbidity, guest complaints, and rising chemical expenses, let's run a quick assessment and see what stability could look like at your property. Contact our team for an ROI projection in just minutes.